Hi, this is Jack from Canvas GFX, and today we're looking at an Envision design and review document. This is the perfect document type to showcase the power of Canvas Envision. Let's show you how. The document you see here lives online. It is an EV-Doc, designed in the Envision Creator, and lives on our secure, hosted server, so you can share the document with anyone you wish, internally or externally, to take collaboration to a whole new level. You can share this document with any colleague that holds an account in your online workspace. You can also send this to a specific user by sending them an email. The document can only be accessed by that email recipient. You can also send to anyone by creating an anonymous link. In creating any share access, you can set viewing privileges. Full viewing allows people to view the PMI data of your model. Basic viewing allows users to interact with your model, but not view its important data. And for further safety restrictions, we offer with each share the chance to give your link an expiration date, or even require a password for access. Once the share is sent, your end user needs only internet access and a web browser to view your document, and they can do so easily on computer, tablet, or by phone. When a user leaves you a note, it is sent in real time, immediately accessed either by you in the same cloud document or within the Creator application, something we will discuss in the accompanying video. You can discuss specific parts inventory, go over review notes. You can even point to specific parts of your document to make learning easier. For instance, Envision lets the end user view animation to get a detailed view of exactly what you wish to communicate visually. Envision can access your model's PMI to create parts lists, like the one seen here. It can showcase models by ghosting specific parts, like the model you see here. Envision makes getting around in your document easy with hyperlinks that can take you to any page within your document, or to an external link, like your website, ordering page, maybe a video library. Envision can even link to another separate EV-Doc, which can offer them the content they may need for an entirely different page. And that is just some of the things that can be accomplished in Envision. But there is so much more. Visit us at canvasgfx.com to learn more about the power of Envision. And from all of us here at Canvas, thanks for watching.